Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Chrome apps and extensions from your Google Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and ready, we'll start by removing any Chrome apps you have installed. These are different from extensions and require a slightly different process to uninstall. Direct your attention to the top of your browser where you'll see the address bar. Click on it and type chrome://apps/. Make sure to type it exactly as I described. Once you've typed it in, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you to a dedicated page that displays all the Chrome apps currently installed on your browser. You'll see them laid out in a grid format, making it easy to browse through what you have. Now, find the app you want to remove from this page. Once you've located it, right-click on that app. A small menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Uninstall. This tells Chrome that you want to remove this particular app from your system. After clicking Uninstall, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Chrome's way of making sure you really want to proceed with removing the app. Simply click Uninstall again to confirm your decision, and the app will be completely removed from your browser. Now let's move on to uninstalling extensions. Extensions are the small tools and features that add extra functionality to your browsing experience, and they're managed in a different location than apps. Look at the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you hover over it, a submenu will expand to the side. From this submenu, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to a new page where all your installed extensions are listed. On this extensions page, browse through the list and find the extension you want to uninstall or remove. Each extension will have its own card or section with information about it. Once you've found the extension you want to get rid of, click the Remove button associated with that extension. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove this extension. Simply click Remove once more to confirm. The extension will be immediately uninstalled from your Chrome browser, and any associated data or features will be removed as well. And that's it. You've successfully removed both Chrome apps and extensions from your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.